Chief Minister Y. Khemchan today informed Manipur Legislative Assembly that the State Cabinet has sought report from Hill Areas Committee HAC regarding to conduct autonomous district councils ADCs in hill districts. The statement came in response to a policy cut motion moved by MLA TH Lokeshwar on demand number 14 for Tribal Affairs and Hills Development, which was passed with a budgetary allocation of 135 crore 37 lakh 36,000 rupees for the financial year. The MLA criticized that carrying out development works in many hill areas have failed due to failure to hold ADC election. He highlighted that ADC election must be conducted at the earliest, pointing out that funds allocated from the Center for ADCs will not be available. Lokeshwar further questioned how funds earmarked for Tribal Affairs and Hills Development Department are being utilized, or will it be lapsed without execution. Autonomous district councils are not in place. Replying to the debate, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan informed the House that the State Cabinet has already called for a detailed report from Hill Areas Development HAC specifically on the issue of holding ADC election. He assured the Assembly that the entire matter concerning the utilization of funds under Tribal Affairs and Hills Development Department would be thoroughly examined and clarified before the conclusion of the current session.
Panchayat area that the initiative had like Mahapure and which happened and Tajarisini. She might talk to TD Makadleba, Quiki Hill, Makadleba, ADC Mayam Hinje. Masi Atobi Matamda, Handaki, within 2-3 months, Manunda, Antang Pangtok Piragati, Hey na Pagani Kanubu, Hill area to Didi, Karigumanta Latana, Kanas and Makakakiwani, Adumak ID Yagan and a Kalebako, Aduna Masikimba, Quick ADC Pangtok Tamasi honorable, Madame Lena, Pildo Janise. Simtang Pangtoni or Pangto have the Mayam Dangtang Tambira, the Hena, Manipur tribal Sina Hunda, Quick Shakunge, Siju Pangandre, and Mayam Low River Mayam say, Masiko Nanaba, Angtangi, Angasi Agasau, the Tambi, Wadan Ayashun Tamjage.
ADC election Gido, State Cabinet, Hilera Committee already Sinagre, Madugi, report of Piranava, Duga, Zigata is in the day, I love Yanzerage.